Network connectivity is critical to business. But that very connectivity makes us vulnerable to security breaches that can result in brand damage, lost customers, and plummeting revenues, not to mention costly legal action. Organizations invest in multiple security tools to try and protect their networks. But despite this, security breaches still happen. Most organizations now accept that protection by itself is not enough, so they deploy detection tools to look for threats that make it past their defenses. But when an intrusion is detected, can they respond appropriately? Can they identify exactly what happened, how it happened, and what the damage was?
So when organisations investigate security breaches today, it's a little bit of a black art. People look at syslogs and they look at firewall messages, and they're basically looking at trace information from their systems. It's kind of circumstantial, and the security teams are very skilled at piecing that together. It's not particularly conclusive. Without those hard facts, it's really hard for the security team to get a really good, solid idea about exactly what happened.
Network history, on the other hand, can provide a definitive record of exactly what's taken place on the network. It's like a black box flight recorder, constantly recording the evidence that you need for conclusive investigations. With Endace probe network recorders, you can record, index, and play back a highly detailed history of the activity on your network, and connect multiple Endace probes together to provide scalable network history recording for even the largest organizations.
Network history is the recording of what travels on the network. All security breaches happen over the network. If you can capture all the information across the networks, then you can answer hard problems with hard facts.
With the detailed history that Endace probes provide, you can go back in time to investigate security alerts or network issues from anywhere on your network quickly and efficiently. Analysts can jump from an alert in their security tools straight to the evidence to quickly pinpoint exactly what's happened. And if the worst happens and a breach does occur, analysts have the definitive evidence they need to answer the questions that are keeping boards and CEOs awake at night. If we are breached, could we discover exactly what happened, how it happened, and what the damage is? How quickly could we front to shareholders, customers, or the media with answers? With Endace, those answers come in hours, not weeks. Because the truth is in the network history.